Hi, in this lecture we discuss about general FAQ in Pinescript. Let's have some examples. Plot a dynamic horizontal line. Okay, for example, let's copy it and paste and add it to chart. Here, no need to this plot. Here we can add line width, increase line width to 5. So as you see on this price we have, for example, if I add price equal to input dot float 20 in this price, and I change it to price and I update it to chart, we haven't anything because and discuss. Yeah, maybe this. Yeah, it's correct. We have no, as you see, this, and we can change from here. Okay, the sample to, okay, we can change. But if we add H line and add it, for example, this, let's comment that. Yes, you see we have say increase line width to 5, like as you see we have the here, but if I replace it to price to have a dynamic and we can change it, yes, I see we can change. Yes, we can change it. So you can, there is a function, it's like function, but it is limited to only plot constant value. Okay, but it's not a constant value, we can change it. So I don't know what is the difference when we can like it and change it. I don't know. He say there is a function in Pinescript, but it is limited to only plot a constant value. I understand what is say. For example, I say, for example, x equal to 0 if body state that is less x equal to, for example, this. So with H line write x and this car, but as you see we get error H line work and was serious int, we cannot. Okay, but we can write it in plot in this, as you see we can. Okay, it's mean this. Okay, then again plot a vertical line and condition. Our condition is if body state is last, so if body state last with this, so yeah, this is a number, and a scale should be none, because if scale none means do not resize the chart to fit this plot. It's not fit, no, because we should relaunch it. Okay, as you see now we have a vertical line. We can write vertical line with another method too, with this. If cond is mean is bar, if bar set is last line dot new bar index kilos bar index kilos multiply, for example, this number, a number higher than 1 maybe, and for example color to red. Let's update it on chart. As you see now we have, can you see? Okay, so with this method, with plot and line that new, you can write a vertical line. Access the position is like this. Use one in bracket. Get a 5 days high. This is important. This is important to understand. Let's write it and show you. I go to 1 day. Okay. First is our MS in 5 days. Okay, milliseconds in 5 days. Then milliseconds, excuse me, milliseconds, 1000 multiply seconds, 16, multiply the means, minutes, okay, and hours and days. Okay, it's mean every 1 second is 1000 millisecond. Every minute is 60 second. Every hour is 60 minutes, and every day is 24 hours, and we want in 5 days, so we multiply all to 5. Okay, the range check begins 5 days from the current time. Okay, with this left, this give us left border, and bar state is last, they give us bar state right order. Okay, keep track the highest high during the range. Okay, we initialize first a variable with a max high. Okay, we say if left border, okay, if left border, and if not left border, if previous is not left border, it's mean this candle is not left border. Okay, so this candle is left border and previous one is not left border. Okay, so we assume this as high. Okay, we assume this as high. Then so for example, is this candle, it's if not right border, then it's mean then max high equal to max high and high. Okay, if new high, for example, this high is higher than this, so consider this as high. Okay, max high, so it will be have new high, and plot chart. Okay, like this. So we find with this method get a 5 days high. Okay, look back 5 days from the current bar, find the highest bar, plot a star character on that place, like this. But here we have not any star character, also left border and right border plot level of highest. Here we say level location absolute. Here we have not any I mean this is but we can do another thing too. We can say if body state that is the last label that new, for example, bar index plus 2 and high and str dot to string max high. So here it give you this value of max high. Value of max high is this value is this. Oh no, this. Okay, so it's another way. Can't bar in a data set. Plot bar index plus 1. It's not easy. And enumerate bars in a day. The other bar since is a new day with this you can do. Do you know what is top bar that since if this condition met, so it's calculate number of bars from that condition until no. Find the highest and lowest value for the entire data set. It's because in TradingView it calculates from left to right. You can easily with math.max like this example. You can easily with math.max find highest and with math.min find lowest. No need no need to use for. Okay, it's really useful for you. And query the last non now value close if close higher than open, close otherwise known, using fixed none. Okay, you can use the below to avoid gaps in a series with fixed none like this. If you have any question, any doubt, just ask me and I make video about that for you.